Just one drop in the garden, and all the pests will be gone. This homemade solution is truly effective. Gardeners highly recommend this method. Pests damage leaves and stems and create conditions for mold and fungus to grow. To prevent this, grab a tall container and pour in about 2 cups of warm water. Time for baking soda. It lowers the pH on leaf surfaces, making them less welcoming for parasites. Add 1 tablespoon. The next ingredient is granulated garlic. Its strong smell keeps many pests away. Add 1 teaspoon. Now for cinnamon, its powerful essential oils confuse pests and offer natural protection for your plants. Add half a teaspoon. But we're not done yet. Add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. It forms a light protective layer on the leaves. Stir the mixture thoroughly. Then strain it through cheesecloth to remove any bits. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle and apply it to the plant leaves, especially the undersides, where pests often hide. This natural spray will keep your garden pest-free for good.